Let's delve into building an expense tracker using Python. We'll apply object-oriented programming to structure our code efficiently. Data manipulation will be key for handling and analyzing expenses, while visualization techniques will help us present data insights clearly. This project will solidify your understanding of intermediate Python concepts in a practical context. Welcome to our Python Intermediate course, where we'll guide you through building an expense tracker mini project. This project will enhance your skills in object-oriented programming, data manipulation, and visualization, providing a practical, real-world application of these concepts. Building an expense tracker applies Python skills to real-world problems, enhancing both practical and theoretical knowledge. It integrates file handling, data structures, object-oriented programming, and data visualization. This project not only aids in managing personal finances, but also strengthens programming fundamentals, serving as a valuable portfolio piece demonstrating practical utility. Develop intuitive methods to categorize expenses into food, transportation, entertainment, and utilities. Implement robust file handling for persistent data storage using CSV or cloud solutions. Generate insightful summaries and charts to reveal spending patterns. Monitor spending against budget limits to enhance financial awareness, creating a customizable and expandable expense tracking application. We'll leverage Python's core features for object-oriented expense modeling and file input-output. Using pandas, we'll efficiently manipulate and analyze data. For visualizations, Matplotlib and Seaborn will create insightful charts. Optionally, Google Sheets application programming interface offers cloud storage, while Streamlit can build interactive dashboards, enhancing accessibility and user experience. Effective planning and structuring are crucial for developing a robust expense tracker. Define core attributes like amount, category, date, and note for the expense class. Choose data storage options such as comma-separated values files, Google Sheets, or structured query language Lite. Implement user input methods via terminal, graphical user interface, or web dashboard. Ensure reporting features include category summaries, time trends, and budget comparisons. Designing an expense tracker involves creating an expense class with attributes like amount, category, date, and note. For data storage, options include CSV files, Google Sheets, or SQLite. User input can be collected via terminal prompts, a tkinter graphical user interface, or a Streamlit web dashboard. Reporting features include category summaries, spending trends, and budget comparisons. The expense tracker architecture begins with user input collection through interfaces like terminal or graphical user interface. Data validation ensures correct formats and required fields. Data is then saved to comma-separated values or cloud storage. Analysis uses pandas for summaries, followed by visualization to generate charts and reports. This modular approach simplifies debugging and future feature extensions. In coding the core features, focus on creating the expense class. This class encapsulates transaction details, ensuring data integrity through validation methods. It provides formatted outputs for various contexts, demonstrating object-oriented principles. The class serves as a foundational building block, showcasing constructors, validation, and string representation for effective expense tracking. The expense class is crucial for managing individual transactions, adhering to object-oriented principles. It encapsulates data and behaviors, ensuring integrity through validation methods like checking positive amounts and required categories. The class also provides formatted output, enhancing readability. This foundational structure supports the entire expense tracking system, showcasing effective use of constructors and string representation.